take a cup of flour. Take me a cup of flour, put it in the bag, right? Take a half cup of cornmeal. Half cup cornmeal. Okay. Mix that around. Mix it around. Okay. Now what you can do now is add your seasoning to your mixture here. So I have this Badia, it's herb seasoning. See that? You can't see it. All right, guys. I have some garlic pepper seasoning. All right, throw a little bit of that in there too. This is the seasoning of chicken. All right. So I mix it up in the bag, right? So let that chill over here to the side, right? I have my garlic powder. Season my chicken. Cause you want that seasoning on there. You want it to taste good. So let me season my legs and everything. Okay. Put a little garlic pepper on this one too. And some of this seasoning, my herb seasoning. Okay. Alright. So just taking my hands and kind of getting this all fused in the chicken. Let each piece of your chicken touch the seasoning. This is actually a fast process. This is how it looks. Throw our chicken in, okay? Oh yeah. And the grease is hot. For chicken breast like this, it's already thawed out. It shouldn't take no more than maybe like 8 minutes. It shouldn't take long. I fry the chicken once, right? For like 8 minutes. Then I take it out, put it back into my flour and cornmeal mixture, and then put it back in there. Okay. So all I'm doing is just double frying my chicken. Okay. So once you do it the second time, you only need to leave it in there maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Maybe 4 minutes. It's not long at all. See how that looks? It's very important not to overcrowd the pot that you're frying it in. Because if you do, at this point, it'll just make it kind of, your batter soggy instead of crispy. So, put it on my rack right here.